Okay, so today we will study what is the basic amplifier. We will just see in a very brief what is a basic amplifier. So let's see. This is the circuit of a basic amplifier, something like this. This is Rn. This will be Vin. Here we will have a voltage dependent current source, because it is a current source but its value is dependent on voltage, like you can see K into V. So it is called voltage dependent current source. And then we will have our load resistor, that is RL, and here we will have our output voltage, that is V naught. So this is our black box, and this black box is known as basic amplifier, in which output voltage will be amplified. So what will be the value of output voltage, that is V naught, equals to RL into K into KV in. Okay, so RL into K V in. But here we will have a negative sign. Why negative sign? Because this current is flowing in this direction, and then it will go like this in RL, coming from here to here. It will go in this direction, but our output voltage has the polarity here plus, here minus, and the current is flowing like this. So because of opposite polarity, we will have a negative sign here. Okay, so we can see that V naught equals to minus RL into K into V in. So we can clearly see that our output voltage is dependent on V in, that is input voltage. But our output voltage is multiplied. Our output voltage is equal to V in multiplied with some value, and this value will be greater than 1. So it will be called a amplifier because it amplifies. So here we can say that mod of K, RL into mod of K is greater than 1. Okay, so this is the basic amplifier. Now we can see what are the, yesterday I was saying like we are going to study MOSFET, but yesterday I just thought, why do we need to study MOSFET? So today we will first see MOSFET. We will first see its name, like why it is so. So M means metal, O means oxide, S means semiconductor. I hope everyone knows it, but still I am writing it. And FET is field effect transistor. So metal oxide semiconductor. This is because we use metal layer, we use oxide layer, and we use a semiconductor layer in the structure of MOSFET. That's why it is named as metal oxide semiconductor. But why it is named as field effect transistor, like why it comes under field effect transistor? Because the current in MOSFET is modulated by applied electric field. So this is the reason why we call it field effect transistor, why it comes under field effect transistor. I hope everyone has studied of what is field effect transistor earlier also, and in field effect transistor not only MOSFET comes, we also study about JFET, but here our main concern is MOSFET, so we will study about only MOSFET. Okay, so this is the reason for the name MOSFET, why it is named so. Now we will see the types of MOSFET. So, in types of MOSFET, we first have two types. One is depletion type MOSFET, and another one is enhancement type. And in depletion type, we have further classification, like we have one is P channel, other is N channel. Similarly, enhancement type MOSFET also, we have similar classification. One is P channel MOSFET, P channel enhancement type MOSFET, and another is N channel enhancement type MOSFET. We will further study about depletion type, enhancement type, and what are their difference, and why we call it P channel, why we call it N channel, and everything we will study in the next video. For this video, up to this only. Thank you.